Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. This is Ashmat Mastro. I'm a chemistry educator. So already I have told you in the video that 10 basics we should know before approaching the chemistry. So what are all the basic students? The first one, you should know the important elements or key elements in the periodic table. Okay. The next one is the calculation atomic mass and so many, that is electronic configuration, finding the group, period and the block. The first one we are going to see the important elements or key elements of the chemistry. So what are all the key elements we should know before approaching the chemistry? So initially you should learn 1 to 30 elements in the periodic table. At least 1 to 20 elements you should know before reading the chemistry. Okay, so that only we are going to see here. Trick number 1, the key elements only we are going to see. Number 1, see. First 1 to 10 elements we are going to study. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Go slowly. Okay. 1 is hydrogen, 2 is helium, 3 is lithium, 4 is beryllium, 5 is boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. So what is the trick here? My trick here is, we were having the habit of using the fingers for doing the addition, subtraction, calculation and all. When you are studying in the lower classes, you will be using the fingers to study. So while touching the fingers and reading, it will never forget from your brain. It is a psychological method of memorizing the things. Okay. The same thing only I am saying here. If you are using the fingers to study the elements, it will never move from your brain. You never forget the elements from in your lifetime. Okay, see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. So 10 elements in the 10 fingers. So no need to study separately the atomic numbers. Why? Because the serial number is itself an atomic number for the elements. So while thinking of the element nitrogen, so what you have to do? Immediately you just start counting the elements. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. So what is the atomic number of the nitrogen, students? It is 7. What is atomic number of the carbon? It is 6. So while thinking of the elements, your finger itself, it will answer for your question. Okay. So my trick here is, always use your fingers for memorizing the elements. So I have already told you that at least you should know 1 to 20 elements. If you are memorizing the 1 to 20 elements, you can go for the 21 to 30. These 30 elements are okay to go for the study the chemistry further in your 11th and 12th grade. Okay, see here first. So first 10 elements. So hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. Okay. The next 10 to 20 elements. See? Again, same thing. Same fingers only you can use it. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So what are all the elements? Sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium. Same fingers only. So we are studying the next 10 elements. So then it is easy to memorize the elements. Okay. So first 1 to 20 elements if you are studying means it is easy to go in your fingers. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. Next again 11 to 20. Sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium. So 1 to 20 elements. So if we already have studied that atomic number is same as a serial number. Okay, so if you are thinking about the chlorine, what is atomic number, student? See, so already 1 to 10 elements we know. The first element, it will start with the hydrogen, it will end up with the neon. So next element, 11th, it will start from sodium. So you can start from the sodium. Sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium. So chlorine comes here. What is the atomic number of the chlorine, student? It is 17. Okay, so no need to worry about the atomic number. If you are knowing the atomic number properly by using your fingers, it is easy to calculate the atomic mass also. Okay, so now you press the pause button and you can repeat it twice or thrice. Then you will be fluent with your elements, that is 1 to 20 elements. I have already told you that, so at least 1 to 20 elements you should know to approach the chemistry. So without knowing these elements, it will be like a blank in your mind while studying the chemistry. So you cannot even understand what they have given, what they are trying to ask also. Okay, so first you should learn. So please press the pause button, students, and you practice twice or thrice. Okay, so now we'll go for the next 21 to 30. Okay, so 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Now you see, 21 is scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. Okay, the same way you can use with your fingers. So 1 to 10 is over, 11 to 20 is over. Next we are going to start with the 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. Okay, so now you memorize the elements here. Scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper and zinc. If you are learning with your fingers, it will never forget from your brain. It will never move from your brain. Okay, so don't forget these elements. Okay, you just press the pause button. You read from the beginning. You start from the beginning. I will also repeat it for you. We will start from the 1, hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium. The next 21 to 30, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. So if you are knowing these elements, immediately if they are asking in the problems, it is easy to calculate the atomic mass as well as the molar mass by using the atomic mass calculation also. Okay, so if you are liking this video, share the video. If you want to see the continuously these videos, means you subscribe the channel and please press the bell icon. Thank you for watching this channel. Thank you.